Welcome back to my channel. This is Sasani YouTube channel. Today, now the Grand Dragon Lotto 40 predictions. We see the Grand Dragon Lotto 40 predictions. Today draw. Okay friends. Now first we see the diamond chart. The diamond chart, the first number is 7, 4, 0, 1, 6, 7, 5, 9, 8, 8, and the last row is 2, 4. Okay friends, this is my diamond chart. This chart already you know how to predict. Already you know the L shape, T shape and the square shape, very important shapes, and the straight also sometimes can come. The straight numbers 1, 2 and 3, 4. 4 straight numbers only. The square maximum coverage area, the round circle areas, this area, and the T shape maximum coverage areas already you know 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. This area and this area. Maximum coverage T shape area. See 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometime 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4. So this type of T can come. So same this side also. You predict well, you got top prices, more chances have. And the L shape maximum coverage area, this area maximum coverage area, the L shape. 80% the 4D inside this box, the L shape. 30% 3D coverage. For example 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the 3D coverage, this area, the L shape area, 3D maximum coverage. Sometimes you take L shape of 1, 2, 3, 4. This L shape, but the 3D maximum coverage, this area. Sometimes you see 1, 2, 3, 4. The L shape maximum coverage, this area. So this area, the L shape maximum coverage area. So don't miss it, this area for L shape coverage, maximum of coverage. Sometimes only the L shape jumping ready 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes only these positions can come. Okay friends, thank you very much. And T shape also maximum coverage area, I told already, this area and this area. Okay friends, thank you very much. Best of luck in this chart. This is diamond chart predictions. Okay, now we see the special chart predictions. Okay friends, now we see the special chart. This is, I give the special chart number only, you draw the special chart diagram. Okay friends, now I give you the numbers only. This is special chart numbers. The first number 2, 3, 7, 8, 1, 7, 4, 6, 7, 0, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 8. This is my special chart. Already you know the Z shape. Z very important in this shape, and T and L also can come mostly. Z, T and L mostly can come, and the straight positions also sometimes can come. This shapes very important in this chart, the special chart. This special chart already you know the maximum coverage area. This area also, this chart also maximum coverage area. The Z shape, this positions maximum coverage. Already you know this one, this positions the Z shape maximum coverage. Sometimes the 4D also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This area maximum 4D also sometimes this positions, and this positions maximum coverage inside the Z shape. Maximum coverage inside the Z shape. 70% coverage inside. 30% the 3D coverage this area for Z shape 4D predictions. For example 3D coverage maximum 70% 3D coverage. For example, see 1, 2, 3, 4 this area. So see the 3D maximum coverage this inside area, 3D maximum coverage for Z shape 1, 2, 3, 4 this area for example. So maximum coverage this area. Same 1, 2, 3, 4 the Z. So maximum coverage this area inside this box Z shape. So maximum coverage Z inside this area. And T sometimes you see this area, T sometimes can come this area. T sometimes not 70% coverage, and the L shape also 70% coverage area, this area the L shape. So don't miss it. This chart also, this chart 95% going on top prices, first or second or third. 95% chances have. Don't miss it, this chart also. Okay friends, now I give you the lock number, the Grand Dragon Lotto for the predictions. The lock number is 7 and 2. This is a lock number. Okay friends, thank you very much. Terima kasih, best of luck.